What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just see this beautiful face. My name is Rafaya, the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. What's good, guys?
It's your favorite Slim Shady.
With pure good vibes.
You know Rafaya.
In today's video, I'm going to be doing a truth or drink with my friends. So basically how it's going to go is I'm going to ask some questions and everyone, you guys have to answer the questions truthfully. If you cannot tell the truth, you have to drink. Okay, so before I start,
Jesus Christ.
before I start, I just want to make a toast to 2021. Ready, set, go. Question number 1. How many bodies do you guys have? 3. Matt Bean, Tyra, Oshika. 4. Next question. Who is your least favorite ex? Use the initial. You don't need to say the name. Me? Yeah, have you ever?
No, I mean everybody good. I don't have nothing.
But who are the least? Who are the least?
have none.
Somebody have it.
Them good.
But somebody have it.
I
Put them in the order. Put them in the
have
order.
none. I even remember some of them names.
Liar.
I don't have none. I don't have none. I'm
What
sorry.
age did you lose your virginity?
Tyra. 7.
Oshika.
I think I was just in grade 10, so that's what.
16, 14, 15.
15.
15 years old. Rafaya.
You came across naughty website. Rafaya.
Around 12.
High school,
11.
but me really start mix them when me left high school.
Me them make them long time.
Tyra.
Me know of them, but me never watch them until like
After high school.
maybe about 20.
Alright.
Oshika.
I'm not really into those stuff, so no,
When
you
you
know
know
of this
about
side.
No,
And you go
like
on.
I knew of it, but me never take it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Next question. Who is your favorite family member? Rafaya.
Everybody knows mine.
Not Bean.
Mario.
Tyra.
Auntie KK.
Oshika.
You can't say nothing because this is somebody I go say, God, I don't remember them watching video. Oh, you never called me name.
Yeah.
This, that. I love everyone.
What's the worst date you've ever been on, Rafaya?
Let me tell you.
Give an initial as well.
You say that is somebody.
You can go.
Then you almost drunk by this. Drink up, sis. Drink it. McBean.
Worst date. Never have no worst date.
Matt Bean.
But me, I tell you the truth. Me never have no worst date. I'm a fun person. I bring vibes everywhere. I go.
Tyra.
Maybe tell the story too.
Tell us a little bit. What happened?
We got to eat, and
Uh-huh.
he was Snapchat. Like he chat the whole night.
Oshika. So I should give the initial? Yes, you can give the
Alright,
initial.
so initial.
Me don't know his last name because
Okay,
we work
first.
first. See.
Okay.
Just first initial.
Aye, none of that in the video.
Yes.
Oshika,
So
what's the
I
worst
dressed
date you
up, and this boy took me to KFC. KFC.
When was the last time you did the nasty?
We can go
Where?
Last night.
Oshika.
I think November 2020.
Tyra. Mac B.
Last night.
Oh, I think the question was, have you ever told someone you wouldn't be at home just so they didn't come there? Like, if there's somebody saying, I don't want to know.
Alright, that question start with Mac B.
Regular.
Oshika.
Yeah.
Tyra. Okay, next question. What's your phone number?
How much girl they watch this?
You can drink?
Yeah.
Yes.
Me no need to think because I go pause the video, edit it and put it in me other two.
Mac B.
876-439-3782.
Oshika, drink or give a number. Show one pic from your my eyes only. Oshika.
You can
Like
show
Tara
one
go
from
show.
my eyes.
Drinking.
Oh, you know,
Mac Bean. Mac Bean, drink.
Remember the phone?
Everything in my eyes only is my eyes only.
Rafaya.
I'm going to show you guys, but remember to phone.
So, Tyra, you're gonna show something? Next question. What's your favorite position? Mac
Backshot.
Bean.
Backshot.
Rafaya.
Talk, man. You can't talk and say Jesus, man. What are you doing that?
Tyra. Oshika. What's the landscaping like down there? Mac Bean.
Shade.
Tyra. Oshika.
Clean.
Rafaya. Shape, okay. Are you dominant or submissive? Mac Bean.
Dominant.
Oshika.
So
Tyra.
Dominant.
Okay, next question. If you were a sex worker, how much would you charge? Tyra.
wait. Sex worker.
If you were a sex worker, how much would you charge in
one
Jamaican per
one
night?
Be realistic.
In Jamaican per night.
130 grand.
Okay, Oshika.
I mean, this is Heaven Gates, so you know, this is the good stuff.
How much would you charge? That's the question. Answer the question or drink.
But I think a 50 grand up broke, yeah.
Bean. Next.
Five,
That doesn't sound like you up there.
The cheap one. The cheap one. Rafaya, how much would you charge? Next question. What was the last thing you searched for on your phone? Tyra.
Well, I'm training middle of so you like it.
Okay. Oshika. Mac Bean.
How to change alarm background?
Rafaya, what was the last thing you
I
searched?
am going to insert.
Next question. Describe your sex life with a song. Mac Bean.
Like you need a new replacement.
I'm a continue now. Seriously?
She opened up like a window. But it's not like a window. Call me if I'm my song.
Oshika.
It's gonna be Jada Kingdom, Happy Place.
Tyra.
Kelly Rowland, Motivation.
Rafaya.
Celine Dion, there were nights when
What's your worst habit, Mac Bean?
Worst habit. Sometimes I just tend to don't want to be near nobody. I just want to be by myself.
Oshika.
I always want somebody to suck my toes.
Tyra.
I bite my gum.
Rafaya.
I'm moody.
What is your longest relationship?
Oh Lord.
Oshika.
My longest relationship is like 4 years.
Tyra.
2 years, no, 3 years. He doesn't.
Okay,
He doesn't keep relations.
Drink.
No, me answer. Me
But me
just
don't know
answer.
neither.
Me don't know.
Drink. Okay,
That
I'm
don't
the
make no
answer.
sense.
You know the answer?
But me don't remember.
Drink.
Hey.
Drink. Next question. What's one thing you dislike about yourself? Rafaya.
It's not a dislike, it's an insecurity. Sometimes.
Matt Bean.
Me don't know.
You not have none?
Me don't really have none.
Let me decide about myself. I'm not as confident as I would want.
Yeah, probably that.
That's true.
Your time
Insecure
passed
about my
already.
body.
Yeah, probably
Oh,
that.
she
Probably
Insecure
that.
about my body, my ear,
so
my
me not-
face.
so automatically,
Basically, my attitude, like,
we all know the next question.
I'm kind of complacent sometimes.
Yeah.
Okay. What was the most embarrassing thing that you ever did while on a date? Matt Bean.
Eat half the food before the date.
Inhale. Inhale. Is it?
What is the most embarrassing thing you have ever done on a date? You fart, you belch, you poop.
Hey, everybody will know me know from or me stay. Me belch. I mean, I poop. Me no business. Yeah, get me drunk or first for
So
yesterday.
what did you do that was embarrassing? Your cough, your speech, your choke. You've never done nothing embarrassing? Oh, so you don't have to drink. Oshika. What did you do embarrassing on a date?
I cannot
Disclose.
eat with fork. So, if you are goat, it's a spoon me eat. I'm going to tell
Did
you
you eat
now.
with your hand?
No, I'm going to spoon. Yeah.
That's not embarrassing. So you don't have to
Embarrassing
drink.
enough here. Turn.
I'm a big woman.
Yeah.
Rafaya, what's the most embarrassing thing you've ever done?
Never do know.
Did you ever break up with someone? Rafaya,
Yes.
not me. Tyra. Pearson.
Yes. I will make you not let nobody. They want to let you.
We're not even special. Me don't believe half of a man.
Okay, bonus question. If you won the lotto tomorrow, what would you buy? What would you do with the money? Tyra.
First thing me I do, me I buy a big food.
Matt Bean. What
Probably
would you do if you won the lottery?
I brought for a piece of money, of course.
Oshika, what would you do?
Investments and then buy a couple of.
People go, everybody goes for investment and buy a
I
couple
open one
of.
business so me can rotate the money.
Everybody
Me
goes
don't
for
buy
that.
one
That is
plaza.
it. Investment.
Fantasy.
That is it for me in today's video, guys. If
Bye.
you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive comments. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys.